Imagine creating stunning professional quality videos in minutes without spending a single dollar. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today, I'm revealing the best free AI video generator that's changing the game for creators everywhere. Stick around because you won't want to miss this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone who loves experimenting with cool tech, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered video generation. Specifically, I'll show you how to unlock the best free text-to-video AI generator that's not only easy to use, but also comes without any annoying watermarks. Oh, and did I mention it's completely free? Let's get started. All right, let's talk about the star of the show, Kling AI. If you haven't heard of it yet, Kling AI is one of the most powerful free AI video generators out there. It's perfect for turning your ideas into reality, whether you're working with text, images, or both. Here's why it's a game changer. 1. Text-to-video AI free. Simply type in your script or idea, and Kling AI will generate a video for you in seconds. No fancy editing skills required. 2. No watermarks. Unlike many free tools, Kling AI lets you create videos without any distracting watermarks. Perfect for professional use. 3. Image-to-video magic. Got a cool image? Upload it, and Kling AI will transform it into a dynamic video. It's like having a personal animator at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. Kling AI isn't just a free text-to-video AI generator. It's also one of the best AI video generators overall. The quality is insane, and the interface is super user-friendly. Even if you're a beginner, you'll feel like a pro in no time. How to use Kling AI. Now, let me walk you through how to use Kling AI step by step. Sign up for free. Head over to Kling AI's website and create an account. It's quick and easy. Choose your mode. Select whether you want to create a video from text, images, or both. Input your content. Type in your text or upload your image. You can even customize the style and tone of your video. Generate and download. Hit the generate button and watch the magic happen. Once your video is ready, download it instantly. Now, you might be wondering, why Kling AI? Well, here's the deal. There are tons of AI video generators out there, but Kling AI stands out because it's free, powerful, and incredibly versatile. Plus, it's constantly updating with new features, making it one of the best free AI video generators available today. And let's be real, who doesn't love free tools that actually work? Check this out. Here are a few examples of videos I created using Kling AI. From text-to-video animations to stunning image-to-video transformations, the results speak for themselves. And the best part? It took me less than 5 minutes to create each one. Imagine what you could do with this tool. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you're ready to unlock the power of the best free AI video generator, head over to Kling AI and start creating. Trust me, you'll thank me later. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome content like this. Oh, and let me know in the comments, what's the first video you're going to create with Kling AI? I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.